In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. If you're looking to personalize your site or simply want to add a unique touch, customizing your fonts is a great way to get started. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, open up your Wix website editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor page of the website you wish to customize. Once you're there, keep your eyes on the lookout for any text element on your page, as we're going to use that as our starting point to access the font settings. Click on that text element. This will bring up some options that allow you to make changes to the selected text. Once you've clicked on your text element, look for the option that says Edit Text. You'll find it as part of the contextual menu that pops up beside or above the text. Clicking on this brings up a sidebar where you'll have various options for customizing the text, such as font style, size color, and of course the fonts themselves. You'll want to focus your attention on finding the Fonts section. This will usually appear as a drop-down menu listing all the fonts currently available on your Wix account. Once you locate the Fonts section, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu to see all available options. Now, if you're thinking the current list doesn't quite capture the look you're going for, don't worry. This is where the magic happens. Directly under the font list, you should see an option labeled Upload Fonts. Click it. This will open a new dialog box where you can upload your custom fonts. Before you click on the button, ensure that the font files you want to use are either TrueType, BontTF, or OpenType, BontOTF formats, as these are the types that Wix supports. A quick tip here, make sure to download the font files onto your computer beforehand to make this step smoother. Now click the Upload Fonts button in the dialog. This action will open up a window prompting you to select the appropriate font files from your computer. Navigate to where your custom font files are stored, select them, and click Open. After a short moment, Wix will upload and process your fonts, making them available for you to use instantly. Having successfully uploaded your custom fonts, you can now scroll through your font list to find your newly added fonts. Select your custom font, and you should see the changes immediately applied to the selected text element. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily personalize your Wix site to better reflect your unique style and brand. So, there you have it. Customizing your fonts on Wix can be completed in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.